Welcome all to our weekly AI newsletter walkthrough. We all launch our weekly AI newsletter every Monday, and we just want to walk you through what are the main things that are highlighted in this particular stuff. Lot of things about video AI has been released. Companies like ByteDance, the TikTok creator, has released Magic Video, which I'm going to quickly show you. The links will be shared as well in the comment below. So the way the text to video examples are there. If I can just hover my screen, you can just quickly see the way it is moving. I will reduce my face. So the text to video, there are a lot of Stable Diffusion was one of the pioneers, and you can see the motion, right? A fat rabbit wearing a purple robe walking through a fantasy landscape. A girl is writing something on a book. So it looks very realistic, and it is something that it has launched, the Magic Video V2, which is available. There is a research paper in RX archive as well for you to go through, and it is very amazing, released by ByteDance, and they have also now started coming in this space. It is taking some time to load because there are a lot of GIF images that are there, and it is also comparing it with other models. Like you can see it comparing with SVD, TXT and Pika, and in this comparison it is looking, you can see the comparison yourself. It is more clear highlights of the sun behind the trees and all those things that are there. So this link will be there with you guys. You can have a look and play around with this. So the next update is from the Google side, right? Google Lumiere is by Google Research. They also have launched their video AI capabilities that are there, and I will just quickly show you this. It is available as well, the link. It is in GitHub IO page. There is a video here. If you can have a look, I will not play this right now for the copyright issues, but I can show you this GIF image of Lumiere video. So this is also a great way of uh, if you want to see the prompt, see this: confident teddy bear surfer rides the wave in the tropics. So if you write this, you will get something like this, and it is looking so realistic, right? And you can use this for creating images for your prompts, for your work that is there, and everything that you really want to do. You can look around this, how to use this. Maybe I will have a demo video of how to do that, but there are a lot of things that are there. So this is a space-time diffusion model for video generation, and if you want to read the paper is in archive. It has given the details about this paper, and you can download also here in the link that is given below. Now coming to there are other stuffs by MuseLab, Unity and Nightshade by OpenAI. These are also helping the digital people, the artwork, to generate videos by text prompt and all those things. So these new video products in the AI space demonstrates the increasing capability of AI technologies in creating content generation, animation and copyright protection. They offer innovative solution for us content creators, marketers and artists, opening up exciting possibilities. There are a lot of OpenAI updates this week, and looking for a good positive news for the 3.5 GPT Turbo users, as they have reduced the price. The details of this are mentioned in their blog as well. If you go to the OpenAI paper, you will get all the details about this, the lower pricing that has happened, how much is the pricing and all those things you will come to know. It is reduced by all the percentage I don't know, but it has reduced, if you can see this particular thing. And all the details are there in this particular blog. Yes, so it has reduced by 50%. This is the exact price. So there, in this particular blog that you are seeing, I will put the link. This is a blog that has been released a few days back, where they have talked January 25th, right, 4 days back, and they have talked about all the different updates that are there. So there is a new embedding model with lower price. This is one thing that you can start using. There is more focus on embedding. There is other models and the lower pricing that is there, that you can monitor as well. So these are some of the things that are there. Turbo they are, I mean, mentioned that they are going to introduce an updated version of Turbo, building. They're working on it, and there is some issue of laziness where they have told that they want to work around with this for GPT-4 Turbo. And also, I talked about the embedding models which are there. One of the things about energy breakthrough, we all know in Sam Altman when he talked in the WEF forum and in the different interviews with Bill Gates as well, he mentioned about energy consumption and things, how you can think about uh, making sure that there is a lot of energy demand that can be fulfilled, because in the near future AI will require more and more energy as the processors become more and more hungry for power, and we move towards artificial general intelligence. So these are some of the things that this article in The Verge has talked about. This about uh, Meta also has launched a huge data center that is helping in making sure these things are happening and using electricity demand to power their stuffs that are there. And also OpenAI is also planning to do something in this space. These are some of the things that are there. And also we all know that OpenAI and Microsoft are working very closely, and now they have collaborated more to expand the availability and usability of these AI model developments to make sure that it is available to everyone who's using Azure as well. And this is, we all know that OpenAI is a pioneer in this space. So personally, I keep watching the news regularly, the blog updates for the things that are happening, and the best source for us is the official communication from the OpenAI or all the product companies that are there, which will give you the correct information of the products which I refer to make the news article for you guys. Other news, very good news for Hugging Face users. Google is collaborating with Hugging Face. This collaboration aims to make it easier for developers and users to access and utilize open source models. This move is in line with similar partnership observed between Microsoft and Meta. One more news that I have not added here, which I am going to add, that Kaggle has also introduced its models. That is there, which I need to update as well. And automatic transcriptions are now available in podcasts. This is one thing that is very, very good, that you can do the transcriptions automatically when you're using Apple Podcast. And Disney also has launched its virtual walking platform, and it's very great for the kids, right? They have an amazing VR experience where users can feel like they're walking around in a virtual environment, which is while actually standing in a place, and it's very good for Disney that is there. And some of these news that is there, and also our company is featured in Khalij Times, and our hackathon is going on. So if people are interested in hackathon, to register, last 2 days are left. The link is shared here in the newsletter. Also, I'm going to put it there in the comments. And our webinars that are planned for this week include the AI show that is tomorrow, where we get some guest speakers to talk about AI and LLM use cases, and we have a workshop where we are building an ATS core using Gemini LLM that is there. So these are some of the updates that are there. Looking for more updates in the video AI space, and the highlights of this week was this space. And in the year 2024 we are going to see much more video to AI capabilities. And also, if you know that there is something that I wanted to share for people who don't have so much technological knowledge and are using Canva. So there is something in Canva called as a Magic Studio, wherein you can do a magic design for video, and this is using the stable diffusion model. And I had created a video here some time back. Let me just go here. Second, just let me give a pause. So we go to Magic Media, and there is something called as a text to image, and also there is something called as a text to video. And this is a space that it is powered by Runway, as you can see. And there are 50 credits that are there that you can use every month. So it refreshes at 2/1/224. So I have some I can do some type, right, like a man walking in a desert with Burj Khalifa and Dubai downtown. in background looks realistic and sunset. Let me see how it works. So there are some spelling mistakes, but I think it's smart enough to fix it. So this is in beta. The results, okay. Spelling mistake, they don't take it. So I have to be careful. Man walking in a desert. So you have to be a little careful with the prompt. Sometimes because of the policy thing, they will not be able to take it. So we'll wait for a while till it gets generated. So as you can see, it took a couple of minutes for this video to get generated. So it is looking very real. Okay, let me make it big. Yeah, so this is a very basic level model, and we can try to make it more, you can say, generate again a close up of and close up of man and wind blowing. So let us see this. So we want to, this is good enough, but we want the sand also, the air to blow. The more news I wanted to tell you guys that is very very great, and this is something that even Sam Altman was mentioning, is about the chip factory, wherein he wants to create the whole, you can say, supply chain, because the most important thing in this generative AI space is how we can have the chips, the processors to build your to run your large language models. So he is planning to set up 100 billion worth of chip creation firm, semiconductor, which uses a lot of semiconductor machinery and technology in the setup process, which is expensive. And here G42 is also looking to raise some money. Earlier G42 partnered with OpenAI to deliver AI based services to local and regional market. So there are a lot of things happening. OpenAI is now looking for a lot of collaboration from companies to help in do this dream that is there. So now over to just couple of seconds for this image to load, and let me create one more page and see the difference of how these images work. So we have this looks more realistic, and this is what I really love about Runway. Can you see the this this amazing sand moving away? So let me, 8 seconds video, and if I download, you can easily now use it. You can download it and you can use it for your content as well, and this is very very powerful. So thank you everyone for watching. To every week we push our newsletters, and you can have a look at it, and you can, if you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe for the newsletter that is here. And just give me 1 second here. So this is the newsletter. You can subscribe. We have around 37,000 subscribers of this newsletter. As you can see, decoding data science. If you are part of the community, you can also be getting this in your email. And thank you everyone for watching, and see you in the next video.